Before I get started with the cooking, I'm just showing you all me waking Briana up so that she can come upstairs to open up her birthday gifts. This is before she leaves for Mexico. Bree, ma'am, can you just come up for a moment? We need you upstairs for a moment. We want to give you your gift. Happy birthday. They didn't have any balloons. Happy birthday.
Oh my gosh. It's not even my birthday.
I know. Read your card. Ain't no money in there. Don't get your hopes up.
I hate when they skip the card first.
Right? Bentley. He said he wants to go OUT and you laying your ass down. Like, why is she coming for Maya? Oh! What is this?
What is this?
She wish.
I didn't do all that.
What is this?
Just pick it up by the handle. It's a night perfume, definitely.
Huh?
It's a night perfume.
It smells nice.
But you gotta wait. She got you. Let's go travel. He stayed pressed.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I know this came from my mom. Are you about to give me my gift?
You're welcome, Bree.
You about to give me my gift? You getting
for
up?
me too?
You getting up? It didn't say your name. Thank you.
Welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Dad said happy birthday. Look what he got you. That is awesome. Wow.
He went bigger for that.
Can we share?
That must have been sitting in his closet or something.
Can we share?
Thank you.
How'd you know I wanted this?
Oh.
Thank you.
See the cash.
It's just,
Oh, Dad gave you some birthday money?
She about to go spend.
Ooh. Hi everybody, welcome back to Busy Being Chrissy. In today's short and sweet video, I'm just showing you what I was able to capture of my daughter Amaya making a quick birthday meal for her sister Briana. We kind of started a new tradition in our house with Amaya making us our birthday meals. Today's menu item is going to be rolled lasagna, Cesar salad, and rolls. That was her whipping up the ricotta. She seasoned the ground turkey to perfection. It was very good. Please keep in mind that I was not able to capture everything because she kept telling me to get out of her kitchen like we don't live in an open floor plan. Here she is making some homemade Caesar dressing. She did not want to use egg whites this time, so she went with the mayo and threw in some anchovy paste, and I must say her dressing was very good. Here her product is baking off in the oven. Now homegirl wanted to make some type of garlic knots and they just didn't turn out the way she wanted, so she went with plan B and just slapped it together and said it is what it is. Here is the finished product. I do not have pictures of our plates because honey, we went in on the food. Okay, here are her mozzarella knots and she skimped us on the salad.